Good morning, everybody. Honorable judge, respectable teachers, and my all dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the topic of my debate is exam should be banned, and I am the against of the topic. Because exams are only the way to test our knowledge. Without conducting exams, students don't concentrations on their studies. Even they don't learn their lessons properly. Honorable judge, exam is necessary in schools, colleges, and universities to students. Honorable judge, exams, whenever the exams comes, all students learn their lessons properly to get a good marks in the test and exams. Each and every students to get a good marks in the exams and study hard to achieve it. Honorable judge, because without exam there is no chance to express about our knowledge skill as well as our studying activity. Honorable judge, exams are helpful to show that students are helpful, consistent, and a fit standard. Honorable judge, exams also prepare us for our future. Exam test of critical thinking, problem solving, and the other essential skills. If an exam is not there, so how can we know the standard of the student? If an exam is not there, so how can we know the mind of the student? If an exam is not there, so how can we know the knowledge of the student? Honorable judge, exam is also prepare us for our future. Thank you.
Honorable Judge, respectable teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, the topic of my debate is exams should be banned, and I am in the favor of this topic. So, the question will be raised in your mind that why exams should be banned. In my opinion, exams should be banned because they are nothing but only the stressfulness. The students are anxious about the outcome of the exams. It is like the hanging sword for the student. Why? Whenever the teacher said your exam had to be held from tomorrow, every student said why, and they make excuses. They have a fear of exam, and it is like the pressure cooker for the exam students because they are pressurized to memorize a lot of material in a minimum time period. It is like a tape recorder for the students because it is comprised on the memorization level only. If the student fails in the exam, most of the teachers demotivate the students that you are dull, you can't do anything in your life. But they don't know there is a talent that is being hidden inside him, and whenever it will rise, the whole game will be changed. Thank you.
Of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Good morning, dear Honorable Judge and my teachers and all respected fellows. Today we are here for a debate. Our debate topic is exam should be banned, but I am against of this topic. Exam should be banned because it is the right way to check the student's ability and take out real talent. It is the only way to select on a merit. Get the result from it. In the same way, a teacher makes a student, and how can he get a result of this student? Obviously from exams. Teachers spend their time when parents and government spend their money on us, and then how can they leave us without any result? There are many ways to test students like interview and presentations and practicals. I think so they are more hard than exams. Some of people said that exams are only pressure, but no, because we have time of 12 months, we should consume it in a proper way, in a proper schedule. If we study one chapter of every subject, we will cover our whole books in a 10 months. I am not saying that you remember questions and answers. You should clear your concepts and write in your own words. If you are unable to write in English and any language, you should improve it, and you can go for your mother tongue language sections. If they not get exams from us, then we will never be serious. That's why the exams are totally right and exams should be banned. Thanks.
Now, second last participant.
Teacher and my dear friends, good morning. My name is Salam and I am from grade 9 cadet. Today the topic of our debate is exams should be banned and I am in the fever. Here many of you think that why exams should be banned. So there is a very simple answer for them that exams are hell. There are many purposes in exams. In previous movie there is a line that under the fear of a whip even a tiger learned to be well trained, not well educated. Someone said that if exams is a way to judge students, so what about sports? There was a time a student tried in class nothing, everyone said we are nothing but a PhD, but now he today we know that such a Tendulkar, so my question is for them. Someone said that Neil Armstrong is the one who stepped one step or one move. What about the one who fell in his stomach? He did not come. What about Warren Buffett? What about Einstein? Because if you want something, so this is the good thing. If you want something, so do. And exemption, never want to do that in life.
Respectable teachers and dear my all friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am very happy to introduce myself. I am Mansur Ali from 9th cadet. Today our debate topic is exams should be banned. But I am against the topic exams should not be banned. Exams are the way to test our knowledge. Without conducting exams, students don't function. Exams are necessary to school, universities and colleges to find out the real talent. When exams comes, students read books and learn new things. Honorable Judge, if exams has not conducted, students would have not be serious. We get a knowledge in exams. Exams help us in our goal. One main reason is that exams motivate students to study hard. For example, a student need good grades, better grade, and into a university. So a student must work hard. For that, also it is a competition with each other. Who will get better grade, high grade, make them feel better about themselves and increase confidence. Another reason is that exams should not be banned. It helps students to know their weakness and strength. If they want to improve on, they can practice more at home. Exams are a good way for teachers to get the feedback of student progress. Exams are one way for teachers to know how much do students understand and how to help the student improve more so. Thank you.